We got two.
That, you're doing it, you're doing it.
We got to move your head.
Like you're pecking.
What else is there to say to you?
Look, your arms doing that, like you're flying.
Also, eat a tablespoon of peanut butter. Go to my cupboard and get some
I
peanut
don't
butter.
like peanut butter though, Maddie.
Okay.
What else is there?
Take a shot of lemon juice.
What else?
Lemon juice. Check the
What else
fridge.
after that? Do you want lemon juice?
Think of the
ugly.
ugliest.
Lemon juice.
Oh,
Like,
yes.
what do I do?
Take a shot of it.
Okay, when? Oh, I don't even like them. I don't like it with pancakes and sugar. Fucking hell!
I'm having an egg thing.
Fucking hell! Oh man, that was so bitter. Fuck! Lemons on the floor. Fucking hell! Oh my god, you don't realise how bitter it is.
Right, here's the last one. Here's the last one. Think of the ugliest person you've ever seen. Oi, Polly.
Yeah.
Think of the ugliest person you've ever seen.
Yeah, I'm thinking of
Yeah.
you.
Now picture them naked, rolling down a hill or riding a bike, and slathered in A1 steak sauce. It will get rid of your hiccups.
Oh, I was trying to think of the other person I know. I think everyone's quite beautiful in their own way. Who's really ugly? Tell me someone's ugly.
Jojo Wibbly Wobbly.
Oh no, but oh bless her, she's cute.
Are your
anyway.
hiccups gone?
You can make her like
Are your hiccups gone? High five.
No, wait, just give it a minute and then we can high five.
While you're recording still.
Fucking yeah, man! It's gone!
Say goodbye.
That's
Bonnie.
amazing, it worked!
Bonnie, say goodbye.
Tell them high five. Woo!
High five me. High five me.
High five! It worked!